Hello everybody, I'm excited. I got packages today. I'm gonna get right into it because I'm kind of hungry and I need to make some dinner, and my husband's kind of waiting for me to make dinner, so I better do this one pretty quick. Anyhow, this is something I wanted for a long time and I finally got one. I'm excited to get this. So let's see what it is. You might know just by looking at the box. LED DIY diamond painting, LED lights, directions. Comes in this nice box to protect it. Ordered it on AliExpress. I'll link the store and all the information below. Let's get into it. I don't want to show you yet. Let's just open the box. I'll show you what it is when I get it out of the box. Alright, here we go. So it comes all framed up. Oh, it comes all in plastic. It's all plastic. You gotta cut the plastic to get into it. Alright, let's get into this. Thought I opened it. Yeah, there's one. There we go. So, on the back here, you see our drill kit. Look, I have a square boat. I've never gotten a square boat before. And some tweezers, drill pen, wax. Diamonds. Ooh, look at those pretty colors. Look at those. Pink, purple, yellow, purple, orange, blue. There's all the colors. Pretty colors. They're in baggies. I like that. They're all in individual baggies. Look, you can see all the colors right there. I don't even need to take them out of this package for you to see the colors. They're there. How pretty. Here's some hanging hardwire, I believe, to hang the picture with. Put that there, we don't want to lose that. Take the rest of this off. Then there's a picture right there, and that's our key, actually. I'll hand it, because I don't want to show you that yet. Oh, look, it's purple. All of the outside is purple. I like that. Yeah. Here's my picture. Here's what I'm going to drill. So here's the little opening for your batteries, because you got to put some batteries in there. Doesn't come with batteries. They'd explode or something, you know. So anyhow, I'll put your batteries in here. This is nice, kind of heavy cardboard on the back. Love the purple on the outside. Now, it does have some plastic here. Should I pull this plastic back, I'm sure, to drill. This is probably where it starts, is right there. Here's my picture. There's my picture. It's so pretty. Sorry about that glare. It's got that plastic on it. Isn't that pretty? You got this big tree here. It's a full drill. It's a tree and the church. And you got the lamp post with a wreath. There's something there. There's another wreath and a light post maybe. I don't know. Isn't it pretty though? It's a lot of purples and blues. I love it. It's a wintry scene with the church and the lights and stuff. So I think that what lights up are all the lamps, the house lights, and maybe up here. I don't know. I'll have to see when it's done. So here is my little inventory sheet. Isn't that cute? So you can see that this will light, the house will light, and the star on the tree will light. And there's my inventory sheet. It has 33 colors. Wow, that did not look like 33 bags in there. 33 different colors, and they look like letters, a few symbols at the bottom. So, are those symbols clear? Well, you tell me. Let's see, are they clear? Yeah, those are pretty darn clear. That will be easy to do. It does not look like 33 colors. I'm not certain I want to open this all up. I will to inventory it, but man, it just does not look like 33 colors. But I'll get into it and I'll inventory it. But I've wanted one of these for a long time. I wanted one that didn't look too pixelated. There was one with a horse and a buggy, but that one looked a little too pixelated. I think this one, the image is simple enough that it's going to turn out really good. I mean, look at it. Just right now looking at it, it looks really good. So I'm excited. Yeah, I'm excited by this. Look, you can even see a stairway over here coming up to the church. I still don't know what that is. Looks like a surfboard or something. I don't know. Maybe it's a sled. I don't know. Is it a sled leaning up against a bush or something? That's a bench. I don't really know what that is. I don't know. Maybe it'll pop out when I actually put the drills on. I don't know. We'll see. But I like it. I'm excited by this. So I'm going to finish it up. And then I'll come back and show it to you completed. All right? This will be a full review. So you're going to have to wait a while. Well, you won't wait a while, but I'll have to wait a while before I can finish making this video. So I'm excited to do this. Let me get at it. So this beauty is finished. Isn't it lovely? I mean, look at the sparkle on that thing. It is so nice. All right. It was so fun to do as well. Hang on, I'm trying to get a hold of it so I can pick it up here. Look at the sparkle on it. Look at, oh my goodness. Look at it shimmer and shine. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It is almost a true 30 by 40. I mean, it is just millimeters short of each of those measurements, but it is so pretty. Let's turn the light on because, you know, that's what's so cool about it. If you've been in my lives at all lately, you've seen this. Hang on, let me get the light on here. You've seen me work on this. Look at it, isn't it cool? It is daylight right now, so it's not shining as much as it could, but isn't it pretty? It is so cool. I had it sitting up on the fireplace last night, and I was just like, I love it. It's so neat. Yeah, it's so cool. So it's going to be something I put up on the fireplace for the holidays, and maybe it'd be a winter themed, you know, because it's really, well, it is a little Christmassy because you got the wreaths and stuff, but it is so pretty. I just love it. All right, trash was very, very minimal. Yeah, and it was just some like flattened mostly. Although there were some of the purple colors that had a lot of little tiny little pieces in it, kind of like that little black one right there. See, there's a little pink one back there. Whoops, it just went sliding. But there was some of that. They're still in the bags, but anyhow. Drills are over here. Drills I had left over in every color. These do not have DMC codes anywhere, so I'm not even going to try to match these up and save them. You know, I'm not going to go to all of that. They're pretty decent drills though, for the most part. I didn't have any troubles with it. There's my cute little legend. I still have my little legend, you know. So yeah, it was a lovely, lovely project to work on. It was a lot of fun. I think I'm going to hit this with a spray coat of sealant. I bought some new stuff, which is a sealant for glitter. It does not have glitter in it, but it is designed for things with glitter. I don't know. We'll try it. I do think it needs to be sprayed because it is open. I am going to clean up the edges a little bit along here because there is some glue. It's a little sticky along here, and up here it got a little dirty on it. So I'm going to try to clean that up with a baby wipe. And then I'm going to hit it with a coat of spray sealant just because this is going to stay exposed like this. And I don't want it to get all gooky and get stuff on it, you know what I mean? And I want the drills to stay on there. I don't want them falling off. So I'm going to hit it with a spray coat of a sealant. So, but there it is, you guys. It's just gorgeous. It was so much fun to do. I would do another LED kit anytime. It's so cool. Yeah. So there you have it, you guys. Maybe I'll add one little picture at the end when it gets dark to show you the lights shining through, because they really do shine right through the tree over here. There's lights that shine through there. You just can't see them very good right now because it is daylight, but I think I'll take a picture and put it at the end to show you the lights. So yeah, it was a fun project, you guys. I'll link it below if you want to pick one up. It was on AliExpress. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching, and hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.